my name is Victor Obu, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Space CVC, one of my latest inventions. If you have these toys, go get them and start building. First, you need 3 of these blue pieces. You stick one on the side, and you stick the other on top and on the other side. You use 2 red pieces, put them together, put half on one side, and then you stick the rest on the other. Okay, now you have the body of your Space CVC. You're gonna take a piece with a hole in it and stick it up at the front. If you have a green or red piece, use it and put it at the back. If you have 4 wheels, next you need 4 wheels, which I mean by circles. Then you stick them at the bottom. Hold on, let me just fix this for a sec, people. Okay, now you stick the wheels at the bottom. You stick 2 of the same wheels on each side and at the same position. And then you do it to the other side. If you have 5 lines, then you use 2 of them and put them like boosters at the top. Not all the way at the top, just a little at the top. Then, if you have 2 blue lines, put them at the top and use them as lasers. If you're building this, it should look like this. Then, your last line you put at the bottom. And Space CVC. I know it doesn't look like one right now. Take off all the wheels and put them upside down. And now it looks like it's hovering. Now you have what you're looking for, a Space CVC. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.